Welcome to Sil Sunshine Yoga. I am here in this mat to perform 15 minutes of yoga. It is all because of yoga I get my thoughts organized. I fly in the sky like a free bird. I would like to invite you today in this yoga session, which will surely benefit you. Let's begin with the child pose. Relax your body. Prepare yourself for the next 15 minutes. With the support of your hands, come to all fours, cat and camel. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Continue. Keep repeating the process. Now gently turn your wrist inward and stay there. Now turn your palm facing upward. Slowly bend backward. Hold there for a few seconds. As you are in this position, keep inhaling and exhaling. Stay there. Come up, shake your hands, and rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Come to all fours. With inhalation, take your right leg backward. And exhalation, touch your knees to your forehead. Continue the same for a few more rounds. Now bring your leg in between your hands. Lift your body and raise your hands upward and push your hip forward. Now exhale and bring your hands down and straighten your right leg. Try to touch your forehead to the knees. Now slowly bring your right hand near your foot and raise your left hand and look up towards the sky. Stay there. Slowly bring your left hand down. Lift your body up and move towards your left. Straighten your right leg and stay in T shape. Bend towards your left. Raise your right hand upward. Now exhale and bend your right hand towards the left. Stay there. Stay there. Now bring your hands down. Straighten your right leg and fold your left leg. Slowly come up. Raise your hands. Now slowly come down to all fours. Now with inhalation, raise your left leg backward. Touch your knees to your forehead. Continue for few more times. Slowly and gently. Now, with inhalation, take your left leg in between your hands. Lift your body and raise your hands upward. Stay there. Now bring your hands down and straighten your left leg and touch your forehead to the knee. Stay there. Now bring your left hand near your left foot and raise your right hand upward. Lift your body and come up in T shape. Now bend towards your right and raise your left hand upward. Bring your left hand towards your right and stay there. Now come to all fours. Straighten your right leg and raise your hands up. Stay there. Keep breathing. Now lie down on your stomach and raise your upper body with the support of your forearms. Look up. Now come to downward dog. Relax in this position. Feel the stretch in your glutes and start paddling your legs slowly. Let's continue doing this for some time. Now raise your right leg and fold it towards your left and hold there for a few seconds. Just hold it. Now bring your right leg down and lift your left leg and fold it towards your right. Slowly bring your left leg down. Now jump or walk between your hands in a frog or squat position. Keep your hands in between your legs and raise your lower body. Now raise your upper body upward and again come down to squat position. Continue doing the same for few rounds. Now bring your hands to the center of your heart and move your neck clockwise and anti-clockwise. Slowly and gently. Now bring your hands down, lift your lower body, straighten your leg. Fold your hands and hold your neck. Slowly lift your head up and down for some time. Now come up, go down again, fold your hands and move your neck right and left, slowly and gently. Now come up again, relax. Now relax yourself, relax your shoulders, close your eyes and feel the changes after the workout. Thank you for joining this session.